Hinangin.
Welcome to StreetSpecRC. The body got damaged from the last session, so I'm going to restore it. I'll take care of the other damages as well. I usually do wet sanding with an abrasion paper at 300 to 400 grit. Time and patience is what you really need in this restoration. I usually finish off with 1000 to 2500 grit sandpaper. When doing sanding works, always remember that you are removing materials. So don't go that far, otherwise you'll damage the body permanently. Just work your way around the body. Use 400 grit sandpaper on the deep cuts, and then finish off with a smoother, less abrasive sandpaper like 1000 grit or 1500 grit. It's also important to check the work that you've done. What you're actually looking for is the matte finish where you can no longer see the deep cuts. You should run your fingernails as well if you can still feel those cuts, and check it in different lighting conditions and angles. For buffing or polishing, I usually use a Dremel with a cotton polishing wheel, and I also use a polishing compound, or in this case, it's a swirl mark remover. I'm going to start off with the roof by spraying some water and applying the polishing compound. When working with Lexan material and a Dremel, it's important not to put in too much pressure. My Dremel speed is set at the lowest. You just need to do multiple passes until you get the desired result. The reflections in different light angles will tell you if you need to polish more. Again, use light and reflection to determine if you need to polish more. I'm satisfied with the roof, so I'm moving at the front. The same process, do it over and over again. Put some water, um, apply some polishing compound, and then use your Dremel to polish it. For the tires, I'll be using a Dremel again, just to remove the old glue. Surfaces needs to be cleaned. I usually use a brake cleaner for this, and then wipe off the dirt. So just remount the tires and apply new RC tire glue. Just work your way around the tire beads and then press it for a few seconds. Thanks for watching StreetSpecRC.